Morning talk for the day, start a new hobby. So ako, ito yung magiging new hobby ko, yung nasa loob nito by the way. So I'm going to open it and I'm going to put it here. By the way, madumi ito kasi kakakuha ko lang ito sa bodega. And while I'm opening it up and showing you my new hobby, I just want to remind you that hobby is something that you do because you love to do it. Diba? Sana wag siyang kumawala. Yun! Cute nila dalawa, by the way. Yun. Okay, will be my new hobby. Hamster, by the way. So, lilipat ko pa siya pagdating doon sa bahay namin sa Tigaon. But, what is hobby? Again, it's something that you do because you love to do it. Without pay, gagawin mo pa rin siya. Why is it important? Because hobby is something that relaxes you. Even though you're doing it, it's actually an activity for you, but it relaxes you. So, bakit natin siya kailangan? Because, dun yung time na nare-recover natin yung sarili natin eh. Nabibigyan natin ng joy yung sarili natin on doing something. Kasi alam natin lahat na yung trabaho natin, there are times na exhausting talaga siya, nakakapagod. Like for example, sa mga estudyante, nakakapagod mag-aral. Kung lagi ka lang nag-aaral, there are times na bibigay ka din. But if you have a hobby, definitely magkakaroon ka ng time to relax. So, di ba pwedeng matulog na lang ako at huwag na akong mag-hobby? Pwede din naman. Pero somehow kasi, when you're doing something in your relaxed time that relaxes you, it gives you more time to become more energized and to be ready for other things that we need to do. Diba? Mas maganda yon. Plus, yung mga hobby natin, mas malaki yung nagiging tulong niya pagdating ng panahon. I know some people that their hobby becomes their therapy. I know some people na yung hobby nila, pagdating ng panahon, nagiging business nila. So, ako, I just want to start a new hobby because we don't know. Mali natin, di ba? So, that's the morning talk for the day.